The word emergency carries a massive amount of weight. It suggests a critical moment where every second matters and your equipment simply cannot fail. Now, look at a website calling itself AirwayFlow. They present themselves as a home safety brand. You see that name and your mind goes to a place of protection. You might think about helping a loved one or keeping your family safe during a sudden crisis. But as you dig into the actual product description, the story starts to change. The bold claims of rescue and safety suddenly shift. They start talking about a cooling turbo fan. They mention a motor with high rotations and adjustable wind speeds. They highlight semiconductor cooling and a long runtime for an internal battery. They even focus on things like stopping sweat or staying focused during a long day of work. This is where the confusion starts. Why is a product marketed as an emergency rescue device while the specs describe a portable fan? That is a huge gap in logic. A cooling fan and a medical rescue tool are not the same thing. This creates a dangerous level of confusion. If a person buys this thinking it will help in a breathing emergency, they are in for a shock. The marketing tactics here are very aggressive. They want about $40 for this gadget. They claim to have thousands of happy customers. The page shows a high rating from over 2,000 people. But here is the catch. When you look at the actual review section, the site asks you to be the first person to leave a comment. Those numbers at the top do not match the reality at the bottom. It feels like a numbers game designed to build false trust. Then there are the testimonials. Some of the written reviews mention a product called Vibreezy instead of AirwayFlow. This is a common sign of a copy and paste job. It looks like someone took a template from another store and forgot to update the name. It shows a total lack of attention to detail. Beyond the website itself, the background data is even more concerning. Security experts have looked at this domain and the results are not good. One report gives it a trust score of only 5 out of 100. Another score sits at 7. These are basement level ratings. The domain is only a few months old. It has very few visitors. These are all the hallmarks of a temporary shop. It pops up, takes some money, and then disappears. They do offer standard payment methods like major credit cards and digital wallets. That provides a small layer of security for your payment info, but it does not guarantee you will get what you paid for. The identity of this item is a mess. Is it for a life or death situation or just for a hot afternoon? The site cannot make up its mind. This looks like a classic high-risk operation. They use scary or urgent words to get you to click. Then they offer a product that likely does not do what the name suggests. Personally, I would stay far away from this one. There are too many red flags to count. Always verify the seller before you hand over your hard-earned money. If a deal looks too good to be true, it almost always is. Stay skeptical and stay safe. It is vital to remember that true safety equipment requires certification. You will not find those documents on a site like this. They rely on flashy ads in the hope that you will not read the fine print. When you see a brand name suddenly change halfway through a page, that is your signal to leave. When the trust scores are that low, the risk to your bank account is real. Keep your information private and look for established retailers for your safety needs.